Talk to Sophie about the rat.
So, cutest little, come here, little.
Tell her what his name is.
His name is, Pepper. And want Pepper to stay calm. And Pepper's a really fast rat. So, and Sophie, if we can't come, yes. So this little rat is really fast. Come here. Daddy.
Gentle, gentle, gentle.
I really like this little rat. So, good guy.
Careful,
Do you miss Sophie?
Uh-huh.
Tell her you miss her.
careful, honey.
I miss her, and if we can't come to her house, we'll actually get this rat fast.
All right, tell her bye-bye.